Hello and welcome back to a UniEdit video. My name is Anthony P, and today we are going to learn how to navigate around Microsoft Edge tabs and windows. If you enjoy the content, please click like and subscribe below. Now let's get started. First, this is called your cursor. This is an Edge browser window. And these are your window tabs. Here I have 3 tabs open. Now let's talk about how to open a new tab in Edge. To open a new tab, you can move the cursor to the top of the browser and click on the plus sign. Now, there are too many tabs open in the same window. It's now challenging to work with so many tabs, so next we are going to talk about how to move a tab into a separate window. To move a tab into a separate window, you can move your cursor over the tab and click and hold on the tab, then drag the tab away. The windows will separate like this. Now you have 2 tabs open. A different way to do the same thing is to move your cursor over the tab, then right-click. A menu displays. Click on Move Tab to a new window. Lastly, we will talk about how to open an in-private window. Use an in-private window if you want Edge to not keep track of the web pages you visit. To open an in-private window, click on the ... icon and then click In-Private Window. You will know it's an in-private window when you see this screen. Now you know how to add new tabs and windows and in-private windows on Microsoft Edge. If you enjoyed the content, please click like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!